how to get the crown from being stuck or not unscrewed. So when you first get your Invicta Pro Diver, this particular watch has a crown, and when you first get it, it doesn't seem to want to move, and so you might be tempted to want to pull that out or get a tool, and you don't want to do that. So what you want to do is, this watch has this feature that screws in order to make it more watertight. So what you want to do is actually slowly go counterclockwise. Okay, so we're going to go that way to unscrew the crown. So you're going to do it little by little, and then you're going to hear it pop out, or you'll feel it. Keep doing it, and then see, it pops out, and that's exactly what it's going to look like once it's undone from the water seal part. And now you're ready to get your watch going. Okay, so very simple to do, and if you just want to get your watch started, you just push this button here, and you can see that it starts going, and it's really that simple.